Hello and welcome back to Prompt Circle where we discuss everything AI. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a project I've been working on, a knowledge management platform that essentially connects your existing knowledge sources to tools like GPT for document generation, for you to be able to query your data and essentially ensure that you are maximizing the power of GPT on your internal knowledge sources. So I'm excited to share with you today a demonstration of how it works and looking forward to seeing what you guys think about it when you try it out. All right, so let's take a look at how Prompt Circle actually works. So to start with, you need to connect a knowledge module. Now, a knowledge module is anything from a set of documents or a single document. I intend to also provide some connectors. Currently, you can only upload a file, but in the future, you'll be able to use your APIs, you'll be able to connect your databases, or connect things like Google Drive or any other place where you might have, a set of documents or knowledge that you'd like to connect. So let's use this example of an expense policy. So we have an expense policy document which I just downloaded off the web, and I'm going to be uploading this expense policy into Prompt Circle. So I'm just going to use a file upload process. I'm just going to go ahead and upload it. And once it's uploaded, essentially we start to process the document. Once the process is complete, this status changes to completed, and that means that you can now access your document right inside Prompt Circle. Now, when you hit the view button, it takes you into a ChatGPT-like chat format, which allows you to ask questions to your document. So it's almost like you're chatting with your document. So let's give an example. Can personal vehicles be used in the transport of clients? So let's send this over and see what the response looks like. So here it's chatting with that document, so checking to see what the answer to this particular question is, and once it returns a response, we can then go ahead and check to see if this was the accurate response as well. So here it says personal vehicles can be used in the transport of clients in emergency situations if the staff is listed in transporting clients policy HR 140, or if the staff chooses to obtain the 6A rider. So let's go to our document and see if this is accurate. So when we search through the document, we see that right here in this policy document, it does say that personal vehicles are not to be used in the transport of clients or their families, with the exception of these situations. You can also let's see if we can ask a question about insurance, just asking what the minimum liability of insurance is and see how it deals with that. So let's say, what is the insurance liability like at Newport? So let's use that question. So insurance liability at Newport. So again, it's going to go ahead and question that particular document, and it's going to return a Newport requires employees to carry a minimum of 1 million liability insurance. So that was something that we saw in that document as well. So this really makes it easy. You can think about really being able to extract the right information. Part of what we're going to be doing as well is making this available to you in different applications so that you can easily connect this to your collaboration tools and things like that. Well, one of the cool things about this, in addition to being able to generate all of this, is also the fact that you can create your documents out of your existing knowledge sources. So let's say I wanted to create an FAQ document based on my module. So I can go ahead and select my module here. And let's say I wanted to get all the information about approvals from that document. And I wanted to create an FAQ document regarding approvals. Then I'll go ahead and select the document type. So we have several document types here. So depending on what you're trying to create, you could be creating a help article, you could be generating an email template, it could be different things that you're generating here. So let's use the FAQ option. So once you go ahead and submit this, then you'll be able to see it generates FAQs based on that information directly from your knowledge source that has been connected. All right, so there we go. So we see that the approvals FAQ has been generated for us. Here we have two questions. One asking what is the policy for approving expenses, and it talks about it, and also talks about what is the policy for travel expenses. You could also change this up and talk about reimbursement. If you wanted to make an FAQ on reimbursements using the same style, you can do the same thing as well. Here we go with our reimbursement. So it says, what is the policy for using personal vehicles for agency duties, and what is the policy for accommodation while traveling on new path business. You can also view existing documents. You can mark them as favorite, or you can actually go ahead and edit them. So this is really going to be a powerful tool for any small businesses or solopreneurs who are looking to really get a lot of their document processing done using AI, or connecting them to existing knowledge bases. I'm going to be doing a demo of how to connect your Notion document into Prompt Circle so that you can use the entire knowledge base of Notion right inside Prompt Circle to perform different tasks. Once I'm done with that, I will let you know, and so that you can take a look at that as well. Please let me know what you think. I'm currently taking feedback. Would like to hear what you feel about Prompt Circle and how we can make it better. Thank you.